Hello everyone, this is Amy Tong. Today I'm gonna show you how to restore a dry vanilla bean and show you different ideas on how to use dry out beans. A fresh vanilla bean should be tender and pliable like this. Keep them in a cool dark cabinet for longer shelf lives. But in case if your vanilla beans dried out, you can still use them in different ways. You can make vanilla sugar by sticking them into a jar of sugar. And over time, the sugar will absorb the vanilla aroma. Or you can grind about 2 inches of dry vanilla with your coffee beans to make your own vanilla coffee. To restore a dry out vanilla bean, simply put it in some warm water and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Or use the dry out bean in recipe that calls for steeping, such as ice cream base, poached fruits, or vanilla syrup. To make the vanilla syrup, simply melt equal part of water and sugar along with the bean pod together. It will be wonderful in teas, cocktails, and punches. You can also use the dry vanilla bean to make homemade vanilla extract. Please see our video titled How to Seed a Vanilla Bean and Usage Idea for more details. Last but not least, you can also use the dry bean to make your own vanilla lavender bath salt. Simply add 1 cup of lavender Epsom salts, half a cup of sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of dry lavender buds. You can also add in a few drops of purple soap coloring, but that is totally optional. Transfer the bath salt to an airtight container and add in the vanilla bean. This vanilla lavender bath salt is one easy and gorgeous homemade gift to share. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more product information and recipes, please visit Singing Dog Vanilla's website.